The warning sign of heart attacks. When it comes to heart attacks, most people think a steady diet of greasy food and sedentary living is to blame. While it's true that diet and lifestyle play a role, not to mention family history, there are other less common factors linked with heart trouble. Here are some everyday common symptoms that you would never associate with being a potential threat to your heart. Chest pain. This is one of the main symptoms of a heart attack, but it is a fact that chest pain can be caused by other factors and reasons. Generally, the chest pain related to heart attack occurs towards the left side of the heart and may be experienced as a burning sensation. Calcium supplements. Those who take calcium supplements had a higher heart attack risk than those who didn't, although dietary intake didn't seem to be a problem. Therefore, consult your doctor about taking calcium, as other research suggests that calcium can actually protect the heart. Dizziness. The person who suffers a heart attack feels dizzy or experiences a light-headed feeling. The heart rhythms tend to get abnormal. An infection. If you are diagnosed with flu or any other respiratory tract infection, your odds of having a heart attack are 5 times higher during the 3 days after a diagnosis than it would be otherwise. The reason? Infections can bring on an inflammatory response which can trigger a heart attack or stroke. Anxiety. One of the first signs of a heart attack is anxiety. Some people suffer anxiety very intensely, and that feeling may also lead to a fear of death. Relationship issues. A negative relationship with your significant other can be bad for your heart, literally. According to a study, relationship problems can up your risk of having a heart attack by 34%. Appetite. Before the actual heart attack, the person may lose appetite and may not even feel like eating anything. This is one of the signs of heart attack in women. Kidney problems. A study of elderly patients with weak kidneys, even without full-blown kidney disease, can put you at a significantly higher risk for a heart attack. Nausea. Nausea cannot be ruled out in people whose heart is weak. Vomiting may also occur. In fact, this is one of the symptoms of heart attack in women. Urban living. Exposure to heavy traffic, whether you are traveling by car, bike or public transit, may double your risk of a heart attack according to a study. Another study found that death from cardiopulmonary causes was nearly twice as high among people living close to a major road. Sweating. This is one of the more known symptoms of heart attack. Even though a person may not be working hard, sweating may occur. Even when you are comfortably seated in an air-conditioned room, if sweating occurs, you must view it with suspicion. In such a case, rushing to the doctor helps. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.